Scooby, over there in Virginia, we heard you roll right up into New England, so we're going to spike it down, see if we can roll back into your receive. Scooby, 122, State of Maine.
Hey, 122. 122, State of Maine, sounding good down here, man, on this East Coast. Ain't no doubt about it. 122, Northeast Maine, Scooby waving.
Right back at you, Scooby. You're doing your thing over here in Maine, no doubt about it. Definitely got some rough conditions, but you're rolling right on through it, no doubt. Hey, we're going to spike it down. I hope you had a good holidays. Hey, Scooby, 122 Maine. We'll be waving right back.
I'll be talking to Charles on and see what's going on here in just a few minutes. And I will get a couple more keys out and I'll let you fall out here. How about it? 151 will today.